ServiceTitan and FieldEdge both handle scheduling, dispatching, estimates, invoicing, and customer management, but they are rarely chosen for the same reason. Most HVAC companies pick one based on the size of their operation and how much business management they want from a single platform. By the end of this video, you'll know where FieldEdge and ServiceTitan differ, which type of HVAC company each platform is built for, and how to choose the right software in 2026. Here's the direct answer. Larger HVAC businesses with multiple office staff, growing technician teams, and complex reporting needs often choose ServiceTitan. Smaller and mid-sized HVAC companies that want a powerful but more streamlined field service system frequently choose FieldEdge. Let's start with FieldEdge. The platform focuses on helping HVAC, plumbing, and electrical businesses manage their daily operations efficiently. You can schedule jobs, dispatch technicians, create estimates, send invoices, manage customer history, and process payments from one system. Many contractors appreciate that the platform emphasizes getting technicians in the field, working quickly without adding unnecessary complexity. ServiceTitan covers those same core functions, but places a stronger emphasis on business management and operational visibility. In addition to scheduling and dispatching, many companies use it to monitor performance, track sales opportunities, manage memberships, review business reports, and coordinate larger teams across multiple departments. As a company grows, those additional tools often become more valuable. Here's where business owners make the wrong comparison. They focus on which platform has more features instead of asking whether their team will actually use those features. A smaller HVAC company may never need advanced reporting tools, while a larger company could save significant time by having those capabilities built into the software. Take Alex as an example. He owns a local HVAC company with a handful of technicians and one office manager. His priority is scheduling jobs, sending invoices, and keeping customer information organized. FieldEdge provides everything his team needs without requiring major changes to daily operations. Now look at John. His HVAC company operates multiple crews, employs dedicated dispatchers, and wants detailed reporting across the entire business. ServiceTitan gives management a broader view of operations while helping coordinate a larger workforce. Another factor is implementation. Any field service platform requires time for setup, training, and data migration. Choosing software that matches your team's workflow usually produces better results than choosing the platform with the longest feature list. The decision is straightforward. FieldEdge is often preferred by HVAC companies looking for a focused and efficient field service management solution. ServiceTitan is commonly chosen by businesses that want a more comprehensive operational platform as they scale. Compare the features your team will actually use, schedule product demonstrations, and test each system against your real workflow before making a decision. If this comparison helped you, like the video, subscribe, and check out our other software guides for home service businesses.